she's hot. Fine, just have a relationship with her.
This is one of the negative aspects of the internet also. They can just Google it, how to suicide.
It's not only about relationships, it's not about any girl or guy, and a life has much more.
Rather than putting up a status such as love you ma, love, you can actually go up to your mom and say love you ma.
दो पहिए हैं वो एक गाड़ी के, men and women. Both of them has to be on the same balance.
कन्या तो हमारे घर की लक्ष्मी होती है, but we say people are disrespecting people.
Say our mom is earning more than our dad's. कितने घरों में ये चीज allowed हो? सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि लड़के अपने hormones पे control नहीं कर सकते, हम छोटे कपड़े क्यों नहीं पहन सकते?
16 to 17 is not the perfect age. Teenagers, all they know is about infatuation. The first thought that comes into their mind, losing their virginity.
Why does losing virginity is such a big issue in India?
Child marriage is not counted as a marriage.
When a person is in 12, he can be much mature than a person who is working in the office.
If you sit here and tell that I had sex, 5 different people will think 5 different things about you.
If love exists between people and they are mature enough to understand that they love each other, they can lose their virginity. Understanding does not only mean that you go and ask the person that do you understand me, you say yes, no.
गेट रहेगा
या
करेगा
या
गेट खोल बाहर जा जो बंदी दिख रही है उसको प्रपोज कर गिव मी माय वैलेंटाइन नेक्स्ट ईयर
अगर prostitution legalize कर दिया जाएगा तो rape cases कम हो जाएंगे. When I was in 8th standard, I started my first relationship.
Do you lie?
Yeah, at times everyone does.
आपने फॉर्म में कितना झूठ बोला?
ये रात ये चांदनी फिर कहाँ सुन जा दिल की दास्तां.
How often you visit the beauty parlor?
Whenever I have to go for my threading,
How?
once in 20 days.
So what's the most adventurous thing you've done?
Being on the national highway, and that too without getting high, blindfolded.
Why would you do that?
That's the level of stupidity. I dressed like a hooligan. I thought that I'm looking very sexy. I wore a pink golden shirt and white cargos.
Who wears pink?
I must confess, I'm self-centered too. I put myself before society.
आप अपनी नेचुरल ब्यूटी में विश्वास नहीं करते, मतलब ये पोता पाती जरूरी.
I have been to Karzel and the island. दो पुलिसमैन थे, they were in casual jacket. हमें आगे पुलिस चौकी तक जाना है. Excuse me, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि मैंने पूरा ऑटो करा हुआ है. They started entering. I touched my hair and all. I kicked them out. I literally pushed them.
Supposed to be mess up it a little bit. It should go like this. Something of that sort with like. See, I was a potty kid.
What is that?
Very fascinated about potty and so. When my mother used to scold me, I used to pee on her bed. Aloo ka topri hota hai. I did potty in the aloo ka top. I wrapped it up and gave it to my. And no one can do that.
You can do that. I can do that.
How old were you? I was little.
I lost my grandmom and granddad before I was even born. I always wished I could talk to him. That day he died. I just feel really bad about that. The biggest ever.
See, that's not your mistake. That was.
Yeah. One.
No?
1, 2, 1.5. That is 1.5. That is 1.6 now.
Oh.
जाना है कि यार मैं बहुत डायनेमिक हूँ, बहुत चेंजेस आते हैं मेरे में. मैं कुछ स्पेसिफिक निकल मुझे बोला कि यार चल राकेश कुछ बड़ा काम करते तो शायद मैं एमटेक भी ना कंप्लीट करूँ, ऐसा सीन है करना है. या फिर कभी कभी थॉट्स आते हैं कि मैं गॉड हूँ, कभी ऐसा लगता है गॉड हूँ, कभी ऐसा लगता है कि
वन थिंग यूर बेस्ट एट एंड यू डोंट टाइम पास. कैसे करते हो आप टाइम पास?
मे भी मुझे थोड़ा मैजिक थोड़ा पसंद है तो आई ट्राई मैजिक. सरप्राइजिंग कैमरा के सामने वो नहीं है, उतना गट्स नहीं है मेरे. मैंने अप्रोच कम से कम 7 को किया. डेस्परेट कहाँ इसमें, इट्स एन आर्ट.